meet Chami backstage. Stay, all of you stay together. Adesh, keep all the boys. Thank you. Urva, please show us the girl.
Correct. We are here in Mumbai for Max Elite Model Look India 2016. This is the last round of auditions in Mumbai. We are looking for India's next top international model. We have already had auditions in Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Chandigarh, New Delhi, Mizoram and Guwahati. With me judging the finalists today, starting on my left, is Dipti Sharma. She won Elite Model Look India 2015. She represented India in Milan in 2015. Next to me is Elena Fernandez. She was with Elite in New York. She's an actor and a supermodel. And on my right, you all know Diana Suarez, supermodel and a reality show TV star. All right? So we are here judging the top finalists who will come on the 3rd of October to be judged by judges coming in from Milan and Paris. And from there, we will pick 8 boys and 8 girls who will get trained for 10 days. And the winner will represent India in Portugal on the 23rd of November, where they will compete with 50 other countries.
I was actually just telling Mark this, that I wish we had these kind of opportunities when we were in the running to enter the industry, because I feel like you need to have good representation abroad to get into that market. So this is obviously great for the young talent of this country, and obviously now India is more in demand. So I mean, everyone should actually make good of the opportunity that they have in front of them. So yeah, it's a great platform.
How many boys and girls we have? Well, we've had about 2,500, 3,000 applications, out of which we've shortlisted about 50 boys across India and 50 girls. They'll all be coming to Mumbai on the 3rd of October, where we will further select 8 boys and 8 girls who will be trained for 10 days in a boot camp. No, this competition is only designed for people who want to model. There are a lot of boys and girls in India today who want to use modeling as a platform, as a career. It has no connection whatsoever with Tinseltown. There are a lot of boys and girls who only want to model because they are different looking. Their features are different. They have different structures. They have very good jawlines, good height. They're packaged well. Maybe not for Tinseltown. So a lot of boys and girls in smaller towns, they want to take part and only want to make a career in modeling. The winner who goes on in Portugal and who wins and gets placed in the top 10, they automatically get 200,000 euros. That's a lot of money. And they get a contract with Elite in Paris. And Paris.
I mean, I think like any other country, India has an amazing chance, an amazing opportunity. We found some incredible talent. So they definitely have like a great chance of winning on an international level as well.
Dipti can talk to you about her experience last year in Milan. आप इनसे पूछिए कि पिछले साल she represented India in Milan. तो उसकी experience वहाँ पर कैसी थी? If you want, you can ask her. और वहाँ पर competition क्या था वहाँ पर? Talk loudly, Dipti.
Yeah, I think Elite Model Look India is like such a great platform for all the girls and boys in India to showcase their talent. And in Milan, it's like really a 360-degree turnaround. And what I have experienced, what I have learned, is really different from Indian market, but it's really great exposure. So that's obviously great for every girl and boy, whoever wins and go and represent India outside.
You have to be different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think what actually, I mean, what India needs is an understanding that there is a height requirement. There are lots of pretty girls and good-looking boys or unconventional girls and boys, but unfortunately, they're wasting their time coming into a full-fledged model contest when there is a certain requirement of height. I think that everyone needs to keep in mind. But aside of that, I mean, just I think embrace your unconventional looks.
Embrace your individuality,
Yeah,
basically.
and have a certain kind of personality. Basically, I think that people just try to ape either models जो थे industry में या है industry में, so I think you just have to have a certain personality of your own that stands apart, and that will set you apart here as well as internationally. So that's what's mostly required.
International competition के हिसाब से the models out here, they need to be packaged right. बाहर का जो वो emphasis है, it's more on youth and height. The younger the person, the better it is. Internationally, when they compete, boys and girls out there, they're 14 years old,
Yeah.
Yeah.
14 to 21, 22. Right now, we are slowly getting girls and boys in India who are 16, 17. So, ये एक opportunity है. There is a growing awareness that if you want to model in India and compete internationally, Max Elite Model Look is the best platform. It's a safe platform. It's a credible platform. And if you win, you automatically get international exposure and placement.
Yeah.
If you win, you have no choice but to go and start working straight away in Milan and in Paris, in New York and London. So today you can be a struggling newcomer in India, 17, 18. After 1 month, you can be walking on the runway for Louis Vuitton, Valentino, Dolce & Gabbana, Marc Jacobs, who knows?
Let's stick to the questions related to the event. So yeah, I mean really no comments on that. नहीं हो गया अब काफी देख लिया ना 3 महीने के लिए अभी और क्या
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming, guys. Thank you very much. Hang on. We're going to call the girls out now, okay? And then at the end, we'll do a group photographs of the shortlisted boys and girls, all right?